Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Tecno Spark 8C 4GB. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. The Spark series phone Tecno is introducing a new Spark 8C which has got a moniker 4GB at the end. The smartphone company Tecno is unveiling a new device in its Spark series. The upcoming smartphone will be launched in September this year. The coming handset will be a mid-range device. The newcomer will be called Tecno Spark 8C 4GB. This device got a chipset of ISOC T606 to give more power to this device, and it has an octa-core processor inside the phone to make the device ultra-fast. Also, there is a GPU of ARM Mali G57 under the hood of this Tecno's Spark 8C 4GB. The coming device has got a 6.6 inches big screen size, and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 720x1612 pixels. The new Tecno Spark 8C is going to have an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. This handset will be paired with a gigantic RAM capacity of 4GB. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the Spark 8C 4GB by Tecno show that it will enable the user to execute things with the coming handset within seconds. The internal storage capacity of the smartphone is 128GB that are enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. The Tecno 8C 4GB will come equipped with a dual camera setup. The main sensor of the handset will be 13 megapixels and another one is a QVGA sensor. The selfie shooter of the smartphone will be 8 megapixels. In this upcoming new Tecno Spark 8C 4GB, you will find a rear-mounted sensor to protect your data from loss. The battery of this upcoming new smartphone Spark 8C 4GB is 5000 mAh to give full-day use to the users. Also there is a battery charging 10 watt. This handset 8C 4GB will give through time to its competitors like Samsung and others. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.